morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nikki.
My name is Victoria.
My name's Ron.
We are high school juniors from KIPP Academy Lynn Collegiate, class of 2026, and we are presenting our biology project from Seed to Supper Community Greenhouse. My TLE project was a biology unit that focused on plant power. So we built and created greenhouses and we measured growth inside of a greenhouse. And then we furthered that knowledge and found a site in which we could build a full-size greenhouse to help communities. To find out that a lot of the people I grew up with and people I live with aren't having a lot of access to food, it was kind of saddening. So we wanted to help those communities have access to fresh produce. Greenhouses are structures made of glass or strong plastic that are see-through or translucent. Our hypothesis is that plants inside of a greenhouse are going to have a more exaggerated growth than without a greenhouse. It felt like we can make a change with something so small. Anyone can really build a greenhouse. The materials don't have to be so expensive. We use bamboo sticks and plastic and popsicle sticks. It started off as a group project to build the greenhouses, so we just took our knowledge from all the work that we did and applied it to make this poster that's just a little more in detail about like the recorded data.
In our greenhouse, we also had vents so we could open and close it if it got too hot or too cold, which is also what contributed to the plant growth.
Working as a team definitely furthered my knowledge from my peers. This was more than just learning from a teacher. I was able to learn from people who are the same as me. So what my team did is we broke up the work based on our strengths. So I had food access, which I was really strong in. I was able to find a site, and they focused on what they were good at, but we were able to connect those things by learning from each other. So in these two pictures, as you can see, there are no restaurants or no grocery stores in this area. This area is home to Kings Lynn Community Housing, Callahan Elementary School, Breed Middle School, and Classical High School. That's a lot of people. By having a greenhouse near a school, we could partner to make a center of learning to teach young folks about food security. This data indicates that the area, which is home to several schools and residential buildings, lack access to food. When the Market Basket in Lynn was built in 2017, these residents were so happy to have closer access to food, although it was still somewhat far. Imagine what a greenhouse could do for this community. This isn't something we could just fake. It was something that we actually had to go out our way and find a real site that we could actually build a greenhouse for. I have a question for you all. What do you think is important when finding a site for a greenhouse? It's very important. Any other ones?
The lack of intense wind.
Yeah.
Those are all very important. So these two pictures are our chosen site. This is Callahan Elementary School, the baseball field that's right next to it. Cited in where to position your greenhouse, a factor to consider is it accessible? To fix food access, a major issue is food accessibility. So we chose our site so that families would be able to easily walk to the site and grab fresh produce. That's very important if we want to fix this issue that we're trying to combat. The project did help me feel more confident in myself. It helped me realize that I do have the ability to do deep research that is good for the people around me. It helped me realize that I can do more than what I limit myself to just for a grade. I got more invested in it. And I had some questions that was, if we got the funding to build a greenhouse, would we do it? And the answer was absolutely, because we could just apply the knowledge that we got from doing this project and use it to help the city that I live in myself.